It was 7:52 a.m. when this BNSF westbound intermodal was crossing the South Fork of the Skykomish River, just west of Skykomish. On the point of this train was BNSF 8374, 8245, and 3834. Before 9 a.m., we catch BNSF 6775 and 6136 heading east at Deception Creek. In tow is a whole bunch of intermodal containers and some vehicles. There was a crew here that was doing some maintenance on the bridge over Deception Creek. I asked him if they ended up working on this while while trains come over there. And he said they do, unless they're doing something structural. And I thought, man, that's got to be kind of freaky to have all that going over the top of you when you're trying to work on something. Here comes BNSF 8362 bringing up the rear. Check out one of the new pieces. At 9:39, Amtrak 138 is passing the Money Creek Campground just west of Skycomish, Washington, with its westbound Empire Builder in tow.